Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to extract all files present inside .msi file in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you, say I have one file on my desktop screen as you can see here. So let me show its properties. So you can see here it's a .msi file as you can see here. So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application named as MSI. On the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you will see different kinds of download option. You can download the portable one, which is a zip file, or you can download the installer file, which is our install options. So I'm gonna download the portable version. So now below you will see here zip of MSI application binaries. Just click on it to download this zip file. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click to extract this zip file. So just open the extracted folder. Now you will see here one file name -msi-gui. So you need to open or run this application. Just double click on it, click on run anyway. So now you can see the user interface of this software, right? So now just drag the respective .msi file here. Now you can see all the files present inside this MSI file. So you can either select all or unselect all, whichever you like. If you want to select the particular, then you can just select the particular also depending upon your needs. So I'll just select all just to give you an example. And once you're done, you can click on this extract. Now select the output folder. So I'll just select the desktop. You can select any folder depending upon your needs and click on OK. So finally you can see we have extracted all the files present inside the respective .msi files. So just open it. So now you can see all the files present inside this .msi file has been extracted successfully. So by using this application named as MSI, you can easily extract all files present inside .msi file in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.